Does TRT shorten your lifespan? So we have the question in the comments of another video. He said, I have heard that TRT makes your quality of life better, but lifespan shortens. Is this true?
Consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Well, let's back up and define, make sure we know, all on the same sheet of music here, the definition of lifespan versus life expectancy. Lifespan would be like the statistical outliers. In other words, it'd be the maximum years a human being can possibly live. So if you look into the longest lived human, it was 122 years. I think a French lady, she recently died. But she lived to be 122. So if you look at that, think, okay, that's the longest any human has ever been able to live. And of course, unless you go in the Bible and look at Methuselah, who was supposed to live to, I don't know, 900 years old. I think biblical years are different though. Anyhow, 122 years will be the maximum lifespan. Life expectancy is a statistical term, meaning what the average person would be expected to live. So, different cultures, different parts of the world have different life expectancies. So I think I looked into this. America, believe it or not, is rated 46 of all the nations worldwide in our life expectancy. So you think about that, boy, we spend a lot of money on healthcare and medicinals and pharmaceuticals, but we have the 46th. We're rated 46 globally as far as life expectancy. I think they have 79.11 years or something like that for the average American. Now, Hong Kong, believe it or not, was number one in life expectancy, 85.29 years. So Hong Kong was number one at 85.29 years. America was 46 at 79. So again, you have life expectancy is a statistical norm that's calculated for the average person. There's a lot of variables that go into that. And lifespan is the maximum amount of years anyone could possibly live. So that's about 122 years. Now, there's a big difference we see between 122 years and 79.11 life expectancy on average versus maximum lifespan. So back to the original question. TRT definitely increases life expectancy, but not lifespan. I mean, how many people do we know that are on testosterone that live to be 122? I mean, most of these blue zones, the longest lived nations, aren't even people that go to the gym regularly. They just eat healthy and they're outside, and they get fresh air, and they may eat yogurts. But the point I make is that the blue zone people who live the longest are not on testosterone. So testosterone will expand your life expectancy and compress morbidity to the latter years of your expected life, but it does not increase lifespan.
Okay. But I think the question should have been, does it increase life expectancy? So the answer is
yes.
Yes.
Yes, it will increase life expectancy, because remember, but there are other confounding factors. If you're going to be on testosterone, chances are you're going to stop eating improperly. You're going to start exercising, you stop smoking. You want to maximize the outcome of your TRT. So yes, you're going to increase life expectancy. But I have read in my studies of anti-aging, my anti-aging studies, that if you did nothing else, and just changed one thing and went on testosterone, it would indeed still increase your life expectancy. Maybe not as much as if you added other lifestyle changes to it, but by itself, yes, it does increase life expectancy.
Yeah, awesome.